The idea of the universe. The man's quest for understanding how universe has been evolving since Big Bang, which is the current understanding of the model of the universe. How it started almost 13.8 billion years ago. So many people, including Einstein, Newton, Galileo Galilei, and of course Ptolemy, have given their views on the existence of universe as it is. Now Ptolemy was the person that made observations based on religious and philosophical grounds and then considered Earth as the center of the universe or the solar system, which was incorrect belief, but it existed for over 1400 years. And then came Galileo Galilei, who invented telescopes and observed celestial bodies and found that it was sun rather than earth the center of the solar system, and every heavenly bodies in the solar system were revolving to the sun. Now this theory went against the religious belief at the time, and Galileo Galilei was in house arrest, but his groundbreaking study of the celestial bodies, which later on published, made huge contribution to the modern science. Who also contributed to the mathematical nature of the motions in Earth. He formulated mathematics to understand motions and other physical laws. And then came Isaac Newton in the late 17th century to a groundbreaking framework is mechanical universe. The mathematical analysis of how planets revolve around the sun was a big factor in the foundation of today's science. And this is not an exaggeration of why Newton is a big heavy weight in modern times. With precise mathematical laws, he was able to calculate the time duration of planets revolving around the sun, but the precession of Mercury's orbit around the sun could not be fully understood with Newton's ideas. He gave a comprehensive description of gravity and large-scale structure of the universe with the theory of universal law of gravitation. Now comes Einstein with his special and general theory of relativity, providing a new framework and concept radically different from that of the previous ones that I mentioned, and the reason for current expanding universe. So he pointed out that space and time are not absolute but rather relative, and the presence of heavy mass distorts space and time, which means a heavy object like planets, sun or other stars or black holes, they curve the space-time around them, and the effects like time dilation, length contraction, bending of light by gravity, existence of gravitational waves, black holes are groundbreaking theories that Einstein predicted came to be true. But Einstein's concept of the large-scale structure of the universe, especially concerning gravity, is not in reconciliation with the physics of small subatomic particles, which are governed by a different set of laws called quantum mechanics. And this remains the unification of quantum mechanics with Einstein's general relativity, termed as the quantum theory of gravity, remains the holy grail of physics in today's day and age. While it also cannot explain what was before Big Bang, but has been able to explain various phenomena like the expanding universe, as Edwin Hubble observed far distant galaxies were moving faster away from us, the redshift of galaxies.